Monday, Sunday, May 9th, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, although it's the end of the day. So, May update. Yeah, that's what we got. Beds have been getting cleaned out because of just crazy amounts of stuff. I cut the lemon balm way back. That was excessive. Cut the parsley. Well, you'd think I'd cut the parsley back, but it's still crazy up there. Chives, we did harvest on those. We pulled a lot of those in. We got strawberries, all sorts of fruit coming in on the strawberry beds. I've already actually picked some red ones off of our plants up here in the pipe. Ooh, we got another one ready to go there. I'll take that. Thank you. Those are good. So we got the, what do we got? Big three. Marigolds, mustard greens, and radishes should be coming up soon. And hopefully it'll help with repel one of these stupid little bugs. Aphids. I had aphid problems on the kale and the kohlrabi. So I've pulled a lot of the kohlrabi out. We've cut a lot of the kale back. We've used as much as we can. The trout, very sad. Okay, this I did not realize. This is not happy, baby trout. The trout were jumping from their tank up here while they were growing up and growing out, and I've got a few of them moved into the big tank with the goldfish, but I didn't realize they would be jumpers. So now I know for next year we're gonna do a lot better prep on that, so we can actually raise trout for eating. And crap, I think that's all I got for May. Yeah, fans are off because it's like 7 o'clock in the evening, so my voltage is down on the batteries. Temperatures are nice and cool out here. It's going to be a warm week. Transplanted some tomatoes. Hopefully these will take root. And, God, I think that's it. So, yeah, happy May, everybody, and we'll see you again next month.